How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone iOS 18. Hey guys, in today's video, it'll show you how to enable screen mirroring on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. This is incredibly useful for sharing photos, videos, presentations, and more with a wider audience. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, select General. Scroll down a bit and tap on AirPlay and Continuity. Here you'll see an option called Automatically AirPlay. Make sure this is set to either Ask or Automatic. If it's set to Never, this means screen mirroring is currently disabled. Selecting Ask will prompt you to confirm before connecting to a compatible device, where Automatic will automatically connect to a compatible device without asking for confirmation. Once you've set this, exit the Settings app. Now swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the Control Center. Tap on the button that looks like two overlapping rectangles. This will display a list of available devices to connect to. Select the device you want to mirror your screen to. That's it. Your iPhone will now begin screen mirroring to the selected device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.